Hello, this is Amin Rahman from Melbourne in Australia. In this video, we'll look at another breathy aspirated sound used in Bengali speech. Gha. It is not ga, it is gha. Again, like the previous kha, here while pronouncing the gha sound, you have to expel a puff of air. Ha, ha, puff of air like that. So you try gaw and at the same time you expel a puff of air ha along with it, gaw, to get the gaw sound. Okay, let us look at some Bengali words which have this breathy aspirated Bengali sound in them. Ghoom. Ghoom means sleep. Meg. Meg. Meg, cloud. Ghatona means happening. Or unfortunate incident. Meghla, cloudy. Ghomta, veil. Bag means tiger. Jogghonno, terrible, jogghonno. The food was terrible. খাবারটা জঘন্য ছিল. ঘোড়া, horse. Ghuddi, kite. Ghuddi. You have to expel a puff of air. So it is not gooddi, but it is ghuddi. Ghonta, the bell. The bell is called ghonta. Ghatok, a person who does matchmaking. Gherao. This is a very new word. It has been taken up in English language also. Gherao means surround. Gham, sweat. Gorome ghamchi. I'm sweating because of the heat. Gham. Meghalaya. Meghalaya is that state, name of a state, Meghalaya. Ghora ghuri, roam around. Ghat, key, a place where people gather or boats land. Key, ghat. Ghar, room or house. Okay, we'll go through the words again. Ghum, meg, ghatona or ghaton. Here the English meaning is incorrect. It means an unwanted situation or ghaton. Meghla, ghomta, bag, jঘন্য, ঘোড়া, ঘুড্ডি, ঘণ্টা, ঘটক, ঘেরাও, ঘাম, মেঘালয়, ঘোরাঘুরি, ঘাট, and ঘর. Okay, that is the end of this lesson on the Bengali sound gha, a breathy aspirated sound which is found in Bengali speech but not found in many other languages.